So, what do you do when the guy you really like or are interested in doesn't text back? How can you know if there's any life left in your relationship? How to know if he has genuinely missed your message or if he's just ignoring you? I will tell you what you should do when he doesn't text you back and the steps you need to implement as well. So, stick till the end of this video so that you don't miss anything. One of the things that you will never do is to not chase this guy. If he's not texting you back, you should never try and send more messages. Chasing a guy for validation is not a trait of a high value woman. And if you want a man to treat you with respect, never chase him. In today's dating landscape, everyone, whether a man or a woman, is talking to more than one person. So, there might be chances that he is also talking to multiple girls as well. An individual cannot talk to multiple people at once, and if he wants to prioritize whom he wants to spend more time with, he will have to narrow down his list. In that process of narrowing down his contacts, he stops texting and talking to you as well. I hope that you got my point here. But this doesn't mean that you have no chance with him now. This doesn't mean that it's all over with him now. I am saying this because all connections take place at different speeds, and if he is connecting with someone else at a very fast speed, chances are that he will get cold with her at that same speed. While some connections take time to get hot and then maintain their warm connections for a very long time. So, if you are talking to a guy and you kind of like him, but he has stopped messaging you or replying back, there are 3 things that you can do. Step number 1, give him some space. If you are the one who texted him the last message and he didn't revert back, give him at least 3 to 4 days. You don't have to text him again the next day asking how he is doing. If you give him space, his desire for you will increase manifold. In other words, breathing room ignites his desire for you and helps him miss you and wonder about you. This leads to him pursuing you. Therefore, you need to give him some breathing room. Even though there's no hard and fast rule, you can try giving him anywhere from 3 to 4 days to a week. Step number 2, have a mindset of love abundance. Every person has a different kind of energy. If you are acting desperate to talk to him, you will carry that desperate energy and he can sense that. So, there are 2 kinds of energies that you can dissipate. Either it would be a scarcity energy which sends a message that a person has love scarcity in his or her life. Or it would be the energy of love abundance which sends a message that the person has an abundance of love in his or her life. If you are a high value woman, you would want the man to pursue you and put in the effort and hard work to get your attention. So you have to be selective and let the man pursue you. If he doesn't seem to be interested right now, you should talk to other guys and hang out and enjoy. Let me tell you, there are a lot of men who would love to spend time with you. Even if you don't know them right now and you cannot see them in your close vicinity, they do exist. You have to keep in mind that you are in demand and guys love your personality and character. If this guy is not responding, there's definitely someone better out there waiting for you. Believe that the universe has your back and there's something amazing in the future for you. If you text anyone with that mindset, he will definitely sense that energy and realize that you have a mindset of love abundance and he would want to connect with your energy. And with that, it brings me to step number 3. Step 3, send him the resurrection text. After you give him some space and try to have a mindset of love abundance, send him a text asking for his opinion on something. You can send him something like, "Hey, I would like to ask for your opinion on something." Men love when someone asks for their opinions. They love that feeling that someone values their feedback. So he will reply back to you asking, "How can I help you?" Then you can ask him with, "Hey, I have to go to a party this weekend and I would love to know your opinion on which dress would suit me the best." As he puts his opinion in the forefront, you can go deeper and ask him more about various things and see if you guys naturally start a conversation and get connected. Also, when he imagines you wearing those dresses, it will naturally evoke his feelings and he will most probably start complimenting you for it. He will imagine you looking beautiful in those dresses. So, I would recommend you going forward with this 3-step strategy. If you feel that you have a better approach, feel free to share it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. If you want your guy to crave for you and never even think of any other girl except you, you need to learn to become a high value woman. I can promise that I can help you become a woman like that in just 28 days. After that, you can make any man mad for you, whether he is your current boyfriend, husband, or your crush. Want to know how can you do that? Download the ebook for free from the link in the description box below and get access to some of the best kept secrets on love and obsession. Remember, it's free only for a limited period of time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more interesting videos on relationship and dating advice. See you in the next video. Keep supporting.